Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to create Facebook Meta AI account or login detail. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do is go ahead and open the Meta AI application. Locate and click on set up a device. Then after that, click on continue with email. Then once you click on continue with email, you'll be prompted to enter your email to log into a Meta account or create one. So go ahead, type in your email address and then click on next. Once you hit the next button, then it should say, we can't find a Meta account for your email. Now you need to create a new account. So if you already have an account, click on I already have an account. But to create a new account, click on next. Then you'll be prompted to type in your name. So go ahead, type in your name and then type in your last name. After that, click on next. Then hang on, select your date of birth. You can always change this later. So choose your date of birth. You can always make this private. So in this case, let's go ahead and choose a date of birth. So you can always change this. And then let's go for this. Then you should say how old you are here. Now click on next. Once you hit the next button, you'll be prompted to create a password. Then type in your Meta AI password. Make sure this password is unique. And then locate and click on next. Hang on. Save your login info to Meta AI. If you want to save your login info, go ahead and click on save. Otherwise, click on not now. But for now, let's click on save. And then you'll be prompted to review how you appear. You can just change your Meta AI username. Now go ahead and choose your username and mark your username must be in capital letter or true. Your username must be in lowercase or small letter or true. Then you can click on this icon to upload your profile picture on Meta AI. Then go ahead and click on confirm. Once you hit the confirm button, then hang on for some seconds to confirm your username and all other information you provided. Then say creating your account. And then Meta AI is going to send the verification code to your email. Now you need to go to your email and then get the confirmation code from Meta AI and then type in the code here. To confirm your account, enter the 6-digit codes we sent to your email. And after that, click on next. And if you did not get the code, just go ahead and click on I didn't get a code for Meta AI to resend the code again. And now once you've created your account, then you should say don't miss out on notifications. You can just click on next. If you want to allow notifications, click on allow. Otherwise, click on don't allow. And then you're good. Then click on continue to get started. If you want to allow Meta AI to access your Bluetooth, click on allow. Then you can select your device or exit setup. And then you're welcome to Meta AI. So that's exactly how to create Meta AI account. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.